Hey everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. Today I'm showing you how to enter my exciting giveaway for a Cricut AutoPress. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. You'll be posting your entries inside my Facebook group, Carol's Cricut Crafts, and you'll find the link for the group right in the description below this video. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you don't miss any of the important details. This giveaway is open to US and Canadian residents, sadly excluding Quebec. Let's get started. This challenge is all about decorating a Cascade card. It's going to be super fun. I love Cascade cards. They're so pretty. So on Design Space homepage, you're going to search Cascade Card. You're going to see so many. There's so many, and you can use these for inspiration, but you need to make your own. So you're going to scroll over or scroll down to Cascade Card Starter Project. These are blank templates added to Design Space by Cricut, and this is what you're going to use. On the right-hand side in the panel, you'll see Select. You'll use that drop-down, and there are two cards. One is larger than the other. I'm going to select one as an example, and you'll see that when you scroll down, you have full directions on how to assemble it. But I will do a short and post it in the group so you can see how to actually slide the two sides together. I figure if I do a little short for you, that might be helpful for some people who have never made a Cascade card before. But if you like the written instructions, they're all here. It's super easy to make them, and the fun is in decorating them. So you can use any theme you want for this challenge, but you must use this blank Cascade template. Either size is good. By the way, the envelope is optional. You don't have to make it. Make it if you want to, but you don't have to. So you can decorate this Cascade card for a birthday, for the holidays, for New Year's, for Easter if you want to. Anything, any theme that you want to use is great as long as you use this template. I've put both sizes on my canvas. We'll take a look at them and we'll continue with what you need to put in your post in the Facebook entry. So here are the two sizes on my canvas. It's obvious by the size of the envelope that's included which one will be larger when it's folded. As I mentioned in the beginning, the envelope is optional. You don't have to complete it for your entry. For now, we're just going to ungroup this. And I'm going to hide this envelope in the layers panel. I'm not going to delete it completely because you never know, I might want it in the future. So let's just hide that envelope. You'll see that you have extra cuts for decorative layers, and I'm just going to expand my screen so you can see that there are cut lines. The card is sliced. So that is how the two sides are going to slide together. You'll see that in the instructions for this card, and you'll see it also in the short that I'm going to post. So it's actually very simple to put together. The fun is in decorating. As I mentioned, these decorative layers are optional. You don't have to use them. Use them if you want to add patterned paper, printed paper. So this is really an easy card to make. It looks more complicated than it is, but it's not complicated at all, and I'm sure that you can do it. I'm going to change my screen, and I'll show you how to compose your entry in my Facebook group. Once you've got your card ready, all decorated, you're going to take a photo of it. You need a photo for your entry, so make sure you don't skip that step. You're going to go to my Facebook group, Carol's Cricut Crafts on Facebook. There's a link in the description below. And you want to start a new post. You're not going to put your entry in a comment under another post. It has to be a new post. Start by adding the photo of your finished card to the post. Now you're going to fill out your post. Start by adding the hashtag AP Challenge 2025. You need to have the correct hashtag so that when I search the entries, yours will come up. If you don't use the right hashtag, it won't come up when I search and you'll miss out. And finally, you're going to add the link for your finished project. So these two things you have to have in your post for it to be valid, including a photo of your finished project. Anything else you want to add, like your inspiration, a note about who the card is for, anything like that is super, but optional. So that's it, folks. That's how you enter this amazing giveaway. You can enter once a day, every day until the giveaway challenge closes on December 7th. But every time you enter, you must post a different card. And every card that you enter must use the starter project that I showed you in the beginning of the video. If you want to read about any of the instructions, look again in the description. You'll see show transcript and you'll see a transcript of this video, and you'll be able to read through everything I talked about and get all the details. Don't forget to add your hashtag and your link and your photo to your post in my Facebook group. The Facebook group link is in the description also. Lots of information there. If you have any questions, you can ask in the Facebook group or you can ask in the comments below. I'll be sure to come back and check. I can't wait to see all your amazing cards. I'm so excited to give away a Cricut AutoPress. So let's get crafting.